you are to lower your drink and look her directly in the eyes. You really ought to learn some proper etiquette. I bet it's that Gunhilder girl talking about me behind my back again. Mark my words, vengeance will be mine.
If you want to sell online, make sure you stand out. Go to Wix e-commerce and create a professional online store that will grab shoppers' attention. Build a state-of-the-art storefront and make it your own. Showcase your products with striking product pages and sell subscriptions. You can practically smell the beans. Go global and display prices in local currencies. Want to boost your sales? Grab a coffee and chat with your customers to offer product advice and send instant coupons. Streamline your checkout process with automated shipping fees and sales tax calculations. If a customer leaves items behind, remind them to complete their purchase with an abandoned cart recovery email. As orders come in, manage your inventory and track your sales from one convenient dashboard. Analyze your comprehensive sales and traffic reports or build your own. Check out these and more must-have e-commerce features for sellers who mean business. Go to Wix e-commerce and create your online store today.
Since the live streaming part of YouTube can be pretty confusing, understanding the whole interface with the scheduling and the going live now and the stream key and all the other settings, I feel you, it's confusing. I'm gonna walk you through everything till you're actually ready to go live and your stream is up and running. And if you have any questions about this video or about streaming in general, I stream every week on Twitch. You can find the link in my description. You can give me a follow and then you will get a notification the next time I go live. And I also want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Untitled. They are a graphic webshop for streamers. This is their website. When you go to overlays and stream designs and then to complete packages, you can see that they have a big amount of stream designs. Now these are all animated, these are high quality, and when you click on one of them, for example this one, you can watch a preview video that shows you everything that's inside of the pack, but you can also scroll down and then test the whole pack with this preview tool. When you click on new sub, you will see the alert for a new subscriber. When you click on offline banner, you will see the offline banner, and you can even preview the scene transition, which is this one in this case. All these graphics are really high quality, and if you want to buy a stream design, I really recommend Untitled. The link is in my description, and by buying from them, you're also supporting this channel. My code TVN gives you 50% of your price. Again, the link is in my description. Untitled, check them out. Now, as I promised, I will be doing everything together with you, and as you see, I've created a brand new account. Now, when you want to go live on YouTube, you want to go to this icon right here, which is to upload a video, but it's also to go live. When I click on this, they will ask me to create a YouTube account, so I will click on get started. So either you use the default name of your Google account or you create a custom YouTube name, which is probably what you will want to do. I hope that this hasn't been taken yet. Let's click on create. So now they're asking me to customize my channel. I'm just gonna click on setup later because I want to show you how to actually go live on YouTube and how to stream. You can customize everything later. So now we have our YouTube channel. So then to go live, you want to click on this icon right here and then on go live. And as you see, because this is a brand new account that I just created, they are telling me that live streaming isn't available right now. So I will click on enable, and then as you see, to access it on desktop, you need to verify your phone number. So you click on verify, then you select your country, and then you click on text me the verification code, you enter your phone number, and then you click on submit. I just received their message with the verification code, and as you see, congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. So now I'm gonna go back to YouTube by clicking on this icon right here, and then let's go back to create and then to go live. And this is the saddest part of all, you need to wait 24 hours before you can actually start live streaming. I'm gonna log in on another account that already has live streaming enabled, so we can actually continue with this tutorial. So let me do that real quick. Here we go. Yesterday I activated live streaming on an old account of me, so right now when I click on go live, I will actually see the going live screen, which is this screen right here. I will have to choose one of these two right now to get through the next settings. So I'm gonna click on start with going live right now. I'm gonna use streaming software, gonna click on go, and then we will have to do the basic setup. So let's quickly go through it. You can give your live stream a title, then you can choose if it should be public, unlisted or private. Let's make it public for now. You can add a description and you can add multiple lines right here. So add whatever you want right here. It's the same as a YouTube video description, but right now it will be on your live stream. Then you can choose the subject of your live stream. For me it would be how to and style, and then you can choose if it's made for kids or not. Now take this really seriously. If you make videos or you do live streams that are aimed at kids, then you definitely need to say that they are made for kids. I'm gonna click no right here, and then you can choose a thumbnail right here. By default it will take my banner. You can click on that, then you can choose a thumbnail. For example, this one is of my latest video, and then I'm gonna click on save right now, and now I can finally explain you how live streaming actually works on YouTube. So basically this right here is the back end of our YouTube live stream. Later in the video, when we install our streaming software, we will start sending our footage, our stream, to a stream key. That's the key that we will make right here, so our stream will be received right here in our backend. This is where our preview of our stream will appear. We will set up these settings right here in a minute, but basically this is how going live on YouTube works. You stream to this page right here, then the stream will be waiting right here, and you go live on YouTube itself. But right here on the left you see that you can also click on manage, and then we can schedule a stream. So what's this? Well, let me show you. When you click on schedule stream, we already went through this, but then right here you can select that which date and time you actually want to go live. So you can select something like tomorrow right here, then you can add a thumbnail. Let's choose this one again. Let's say no, not made for kids, and then when the time and the date are correct, you click on create stream, and that will create your stream right here. This will schedule your stream. And then here's how everything comes together. Just to be clear, right here is going live, and right here you can see a list of your scheduled streams. So this is the one we just scheduled. Let's click on that, and then right here you have the same screen as going live right now. The only difference between scheduling a stream and then going live right now is that people can see the scheduled stream on YouTube. When we click on our profile icon and then we go to your channel, I will open it in a new tab. You will see this is the channel that we are on. This is a channel that we created our live stream on. So when we go to videos and then to all videos right here, you will see upcoming live streams. This is the one we just scheduled. So your subscribers and people who are watching your other content will see this on their homepage and will be able to set a reminder, and then they will get a notification when you actually go live. Let's go back right now, and then let's go to stream right here, because this page will be the same whether you go live right now or you schedule the stream. And as you see, they give us an error: duplicate stream key, select a new key, etc. Why is this? Well, we have a scheduled stream which has a stream key, but then now we want to go live right now, and the stream key will be the same. So because of this, to make sure that you get no errors, what I recommend is that you just click on default stream key right here, and you click on create new stream key. Then you just give it a name, for example, the date of today, which is the first day of the year. That's right, I'm creating a YouTube video on January 1st. You just give it a description, doesn't matter what, that's for yourself. You leave this at variable bitrate, and then you enable 60 FPS because you will probably be streaming in 60 FPS, and then you click on create. So the only thing you did right now is creating a new stream key. Let's go over these other settings, and then we're gonna install our streaming software. So stream latency, you can just leave it at low latency, that's perfect. Then enable DVR, this will allow people to pause your stream and go back. This is really handy, and I love it if this is possible, so I would enable this right here. Then 360, this is obviously not what this video is about, so let's disable that. Then edit delay, you can add the stream delay right here if you don't want people to stream snipe you or something like that, or maybe you have another reason, doesn't matter. I will select none right here to get no delay, so you can actually interact with your chat in almost real time. but right here you can add the delay. Then closed captions, I don't think this is available to everyone, but since this is a really small and old channel and I have it right here, I assume that you will have the option too. So if you enable this, YouTube will create closed captions. Then the last option is pretty important because you can unlist your stream once you're done streaming. If you already make YouTube videos but you don't want your feed to be cluttered with live streams between your normal videos, you can enable this, and then when you stop streaming, the stream will be unlisted and only people with the link will actually be able to go back to the stream and rewatch it. It will not be on your main channel. There are rumors that leaving live streams public on a YouTube account that's already getting views through videos would decrease the performance of the channel overall, because live streams generally perform worse than normal videos, and then YouTube will not recommend your normal videos as much because the live streams are dragging down the channel. I'm not sure how accurate this is, but I would automatically make live streams unlisted after streaming, unless you do some kind of show on your live stream and you want it to appear on your channel between all your other videos. So once you've set up these settings, the next step is downloading a streaming program, going live in the program so people can see it on YouTube. So let's go to Google and look for OBS. The first link, Open Broadcast Software. This is what we will be using. So let's click on Windows or Mac if that's what you're streaming on. Once the download is finished, open it and then install your program. So then once you launch the OBS Studio, it will be empty, and I'm not gonna go through the whole process of setting up your graphics, setting up your settings. This video would be way too long. I already have separate videos about that. I will link it in the cards, and I will also link some videos in the description that will get you through the whole process of setting up your stream, getting everything ready and adjusting all the settings to your specific computer. What I will be showing you right now is the going live part on YouTube, how to link everything together. So I'm gonna do that right now. Let's go to the settings right here, then go to stream. Then as your service, you want to choose YouTube or MTP, and then as you see, we will need a stream key. So now let's go back to our YouTube studio right here, and if you remember correctly, we already created a YouTube stream key. So let's click on copy right here because this is the key. So click on copy, then go back to OBS and then paste your stream key right here. Now click on OK. Now I'm gonna divide this screen into two parts because I want to show you how this works exactly. So this is where we create our whole stream, right? As I already said, you can follow my other tutorials to set up all your settings and graphics. I'm just gonna add a simple image right now so we can actually see our live stream once it appears right here on YouTube. I'm gonna right click it, go to transform, then fit to screen, and there we go. Let's say that this is our live stream once everything has been set up. So since OBS is already linked to this stream key right here of YouTube, I can now click on start streaming, and then it will begin to appear right here on the right. So we will need to wait a second, and there we go. This is our stream. So this on the left is our streaming program, and then on the right, this preview right here is what people will see. So let's say you want to find out the delay between what's happening on your computer and when people will see it on stream. You can just replace something, and then you want to wait and see when it actually gets replaced right here on the stream, on the preview of your stream. And there we go, the delay of our stream is 11 seconds. So now that you understand this, we can divide our screen in three parts. So on the left we have OBS Studio, which is the first step. We clicked on start streaming, and that will send the stream to the middle, and that's the YouTube Studio, which will be receiving the stream. And then on the right we have the third step, which is people seeing our stream on YouTube. We are on the video page right here, and as you see right here, this is our stream. Let's click on it, and there we go. This is the end result. Let's go to the middle screen right here, because this is where you will be managing your stream while you are actually live and while everything has been set up. We are on the analytic page right here. It automatically switches to this, but at first we were on the streaming page, right? This is where we did all our settings. This has been done. We are live. It switches to analytics, and then on the right you can see stream health, and right here you will see any problems with the stream, when your internet is too slow to handle the stream, all that stuff. And then on the right you can see your stream's chat. You can also preview your chat right here while managing everything, checking your analytics and stuff. You can put this on another screen. So right now your only concern should be setting up OBS Studio. I have tutorials for everything, so go there, set up your stream. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give me a like, maybe subscribe to the channel, place a comment, and I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Hi, welcome to the 2021 version of my big Streamlabs OBS tutorial. I make this every year and I take people from the absolute beginning to the point where they have completely set up their stream, and this year will be the same. I'm going to use this graphics spec during the whole video, and you can get it for free because it's my own graphics spec and you can find it on my Discord. If you want to choose your own graphics spec which is completely your style, or you want to get an animated graphics spec or something that's more high quality than my free one, then you can buy one from the sponsor of this video, which is Own.tv. This right here is their website, and you can go to overlays and then to complete packages. A big amount of people from my community have already bought a package on their website, and when you click on one of them, for example this poker series, then they will bring you to a separate page where you can test out the pack. So when I click on new donation, then I will see how the alert would look on my stream. Then when I click on animated talking banner, then I will go to the intermission screen, and same thing with scene transition. You can preview everything on their website. The packages are really high quality, they're just a good company, and I'm sure you will find a design on their website that you really like. I will put the link to their website in my description. My code TVN will give you 50% of the price. Again, the link will be in the description. Own.tv, check them out. I'm going to remove Streamlabs OBS from my PC because, as I said, I'm gonna do everything together with you. By the way, this background is temporary. I'm building a new studio and I'm gonna post a big, or probably multiple big videos about that when the studio is actually finished. If you want to see that, or you want to learn more about streaming, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow the actual progress of building the studio, I am posting on Instagram about it every day. So I will put my Instagram on top of this video and in the description. You can follow me there, and then you can find my stories. So to download Streamlabs, look for it on Google, click on the website, it's streamlabs.com, and then click on download Streamlabs. Then once your download is finished, just click on it and then obviously install the program. If you want to reset Streamlabs OBS, then you can go to the settings and then you can click on delete, cache and restart. And when I click on this, when I click on OK, you will see that it will restart and everything will have been reset. So this is the first screen that you will get when you launch Streamlabs OBS. I'm gonna click on skip right now. We're gonna link our streaming platform later, and then right now we can click on start fresh. Then we can skip everything because we're gonna do everything manually. So just skip till you get to this window right here, and now I have a fresh installation of Streamlabs OBS. So what is this interface all about? Let me give you an overview. So I just skipped the login screen, right? And as you see, when I click on the plus icon in the sources, they say you must log in for widgets, and there's a bunch of other things you need to be logged in for. So it's important that you log in. I wanted to show you this. So when you go to the settings, you can click on login right here, and I'm just gonna log in with my Twitch account. You can log in with whatever you want. Now once you log in, you will see a bunch of icons here on the top left, but everything you see right there is for Streamlabs Prime. It's a monthly membership you can take, and as you see, when I click on this right here, you will get stream themes. As you can see, you can click on this and then you can click on install overlay. They also have alerts, as you see here on the left. These are all alerts which you can install, but for this you will need their monthly membership. Something else that's part of the membership is this. When you click on go live, you can enable multiple platforms right here, and this way you can multi-stream to all those platforms. But to multi-stream, you need Streamlabs Prime. Now to make myself clear, you definitely don't need Streamlabs Prime. You can do everything without. If you're interested in it, I will add the link to the description, which will give you $10 or $15 for free. I'm not really sure, it's my affiliate link, but we're gonna do everything without Prime in this video. So let's click here again to the editor. This is our screen, and then here in the middle you see a mini feed, and this is your recent events. As you see, people who follow me on Twitch, when you go live and then someone subscribes to you or donates to you or hosts you, all that stuff will appear right here in the mini feed, and that way you can easily keep track of everything that's happening while you're live. Then on the bottom we have the scenes, the sources and the mixer, and this is the bread and butter of streaming. So the scenes right here, these are like folders that hold the sources in the middle. So for example, I can click on the plus icon to make a new scene, and then I can call that in game, click on done, and then as you see the sources will be empty. So this scene, which is called scene, has one source in it, and then the in-game scene we just made has no sources. And when you want to add sources, you can click on the plus icon, and this is everything which you can add, which is a lot. It's all your graphics, it's everything the viewers will see. For example, you can add an image, which can be your webcam border, or you can add a video capture device. Let's double click it, and then let's click on add source, and then this is your webcam. As you see right here, cam link, my camera is connected to the computer through a cam link, and then I can just click on done, and then I can rescale this and then position it somewhere, and that will be my webcam. So right now in the in-game scene we have a source, which is a video capture device, which is the webcam. Now when I go to the other scene here on the left, then you will see that my webcam disappears because I'm in a new scene. Then there is one more level, which is when you click on this right here, the drop down above the scenes. Here you can see all your scene collections. So when I click on manage all, you will see that we have one scene collection, and then I can click on create new, and that way I can make a new scene collection. So let's call it test scene collection. Okay, let's click on this icon right here, and then let's click on done, and then right now you see that we are inside test scene collection. We have